They go old school right here. Come on, let's walk on this side. Come on. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it with your other hand. Trying to get some of these cars. Come on. Nice. All right. Well, you go on this side. Come on. I got some cutlasses. See them on. There we go, all right here. Downtown my boys, baby. Come on, let's do my smoke for you. Simple, but just nice right here. Ain't it? Something that nice car.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. Very nice. Look at that. There you go, Pooh. Sling blade. That's a slingshot right there. They go to GTO, baby. The GOAT. Nice, ain't it, Pooh? Huh? You ain't playing with that. That's where you going, huh? There you go. Look at that. They go Le Mans, Pontiac Le Mans. '74 Monte Carlo. It look like a 70. Got another Monte Carlo. They go the Firebird, the Trans Am, son. See him? You can actually say you saw him, right?